Welcome to all the blue people out there. It's your host Saifu, and we're going to be talking about the 8 basic steps to interior designing. So, since this is my first YouTube video, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button for more videos from Born Blue. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the most important category. Now it goes without saying that a floor is one of the most integral parts of the room. A floor basically sets the whole tone of the room. Choosing the right type of flooring that complements your furniture and your wall paint is essential. If you're going for a dark shade, don't make the rookie mistake of choosing dark furniture on top. Go for a lighter tone instead. It's all in the contrast. Moving on to the second step in our list, we have for you wall paint and design. Now it goes without saying that color and contrast is the starting base of your room's outlook. A good choice of paint can do wonders to a dull room and bring new life to it. Furthermore, it represents your own personality. Think of your room as an extension of your ideas and persona. Ever wondered why prisons are painted with dull hues all over? It's to strip away a prisoner's sense of identity and creativity. Hence, don't live like a prisoner. If you're of age, go for neutrals. And if you're younger, then don't hesitate to experiment with colors. Third on this list is, you guessed it, it's furniture. It cannot be stressed any further that furniture is the make or break of any room. If you're not planning to live under a rock, investing in stylish furniture is rudimentary. Testing out the ergonomics of your furniture is just as important. Sit on it, feel it, and make sure that that magenta sofa you bought off of Goodwill will do justice to the comfort and style you are aiming for. Don't clutter the room with hoarded furniture. Know when to replace or throw away stuff, and have plenty of free space to walk around. Moving on to the fourth step, accessorize. Accessories are customizable and come in all shapes and sizes. Make your room your own by perhaps hanging a few self-painted canvases, and why not a fancy mirror to enhance the perceived space of the room. Decorations and pieces of art can be a way to show the creativity inside you. Next up is fabric. Now folks, this category boasts a very large classification. From bed sheets to beanbag covers, fabric choice is just as important as any other step that was mentioned above. Usually the go-to rule is to match the bed sheets with the wall color and the sofas with the curtains. However, spicing things up and going all out crazy with colors you like is always an option. Is your sofa going to be used for sleeping? Are you going for a more formal approach? Do you have monsters for kids? Yeah, you should ask yourself all those questions before running to the store. Juice up your room with the equipment you need. Equipment is meant to enhance the functionality of your interior. Nowadays, more and more people are shifting to smart homes. The company Philips has even introduced their color changing bulb, which you should definitely try out. If your budget isn't holding you back, invest in equipment like a cool coffee dispenser or perhaps a snooker table, anything that clicks with you. Trust me, it's good advice for people who want to entertain their friends. Think about video games, PS4, and other shenanigans. If you've with me this far in the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Show me some love and like this video too. Anyways, on to the seventh step, roofing. The much despised and rather overlooked aspect of the room. Even nowadays in freaking 2018, we can see the classiest homes having blank white roofs. I get it, it's safe. Nobody wants a disaster staring them from above. Well, it's time to put an end to this hesitation. Just look at these roofs and you be the judge of it. Last but not the least, one aspect of designing that I'd like to see more in home and decor nowadays is plantation. If you've got a green thumb, don't reserve it for the outdoors alone. There are tons of indoor varieties available in nurseries around the globe. Plants can serve to be functional too. The Gerbera plant, for example, filters air, keeping it fresher and dust-free. Plants are rejuvenating and give a fresh, homely vibe. Warning, however, pests and bugs are attracted to plants too, so make sure to keep the base of the planter clean. So here you have it, 8 basic steps to get you started. Now it's up to you to incorporate your style and make it your own. Good luck, and as always, stay blue 'cause you're born blue.